Hello. Today I am going to show you how to connect to your SharePoint server using only the URL instead of calling into SQL directly. It is much simpler and quicker than querying SharePoint content directly from SQL. Behind the scenes, Sharemate is using API calls to retrieve the content. So here we go. Please select the destination SharePoint server. I want to go to on-prem. Please select the connection type to your SharePoint source server. Here is where we make the decision. So I'm going to do web services, and I will type in my URL. Then as you can see, all of these are disabled because they're only enabled when you use SQL. And now I want to enter my destination URL, and I'll be going to a SharePoint 2016 server. So the one big difference when using API calls is that you only get one site collection at a time. So as you can see here, I'm only seeing the root site collection and all the subsites under that site collection. So if we go ahead and try another site collection, /sites/IT SharePoint 2016. As you can see, again, it only shows one site collection at a time. So we have the site collection IT and then a subsite IT projects. Let's go back to the root. We will work with the root site. Everything else in Sharemate is still the same. So I will go through a quick migration scenario here. So HR, I want to make this a site collection. Yes. The MPO solutions. Since I am going to on-prem, we need to use the domain instead of the email. I want to delete this. I want to make sites also a subsite under site collection. I also like to add two more site collections, site IT that we just saw. And the reason I'm doing this is so I can migrate to that site collection. Oh, it's actually yes. I'm going to add one more. All right. Save this real quick. To SharePoint 2016. Oops. I want to keep everything in the root same place. Alright, this is a test. I'm just going to say none. So I don't want to move everything to the site collection, sites HR. Same thing here. since I created the IT site collection and I want to move everything from miscellaneous to different sites, I'm going to move this to legal, payroll, move this to payroll. Then I'm going to choose not to keep any of these. Alright, save, validate, successful, generate the script, and so that's it. As you can see, everything is still the same. The only big difference when using the URL instead of SQL is that you do the migration one site collection at a time.